Welcome back to Markets at Noon, and just highlighting the numbers on the bottom of the screen. Craftsman Automation looks like a good set of numbers. The stock is up 6%. We'll move away from that for a bit and take it across to Sajid, who's joined us to take us through what the F&O snapshot is looking like at this hour. Sajid, over to you.
That the markets, very choppy in morning trade with the Nifty, giving up some of the morning gains there. At this point in time, it's a flat 0.2% up, with the open interest up nearly 1.15%, and Nifty hovering around the 24,376.75 mark there. But Nifty Bank is absolutely flat at this point in time, and there too the open interest is almost flat. But you look at the constituents of Nifty, you'll see that there's some shorts today which is coming in. Yesterday we saw a spate of long buys which was happening across the banking stocks. Today there's some shorts which getting added for HDFC Bank. There's a long unwind happening for Axis. There's a short build-up happening on SBI, BOB, and Bank of India, and Kotak is also seeing some long buys along with AU, Small Finance Bank, and Federal Bank there. Look at what's happening in the call and put of the May 12 series there. You're seeing some good action coming in at 24,400 with the call writers taking up a strong position there. 24,300 is also very active at this point in time with the puts having a upper hand. But if you look at the distribution, it gives you a narrow range for the market there. You have 24,400 as a strong resistance coming in, followed by 24,500. But the Nifty is currently about 24,300 there. So if this position continues, we are going to end on a flat note. Otherwise, if there's a reversal of call writing or a put writing happening, yesterday after 2:30 we saw a lot of unwinding of calls happening, and as a result of which we saw the Nifty climb up to about 24,300 levels. Future gainers, Polycap seeing some long build up, Paytm is seeing long build up on the back of good results. Hero Moto is seeing a long build up, so all the stocks are 5 and 6% respectively. In the losers, you have KPIT Tech, Godrej Consumers, and BPCL. Stocks down 5% odd, and BPCL down 2.69% on the basis of a short build up which is coming up. Open interest gainers has 22% jump in KPIT Tech with the short build up coming in. PB FinTech is seeing a short build up and open interest of nearly 17%, and Blue Star, the stock open interest up 11% and stock build up seeing there. Open interest losers include stocks like Yes Bank, where there's a short covering happening. Open interest down nearly 2%. Coforge is seeing a long unwind which is happening. Stock is down after yesterday's climb, and VDL is seeing a short covering with the open interest down nearly 1.56% there. Let's look at which is the most active. Bajaj Auto, 11,000 May call, buyback helping the stock there. The stock currently up 323 rupees there at 10,684. There's a premium which has jumped nearly 43.75 to 143. So nearly 40% jump in premium over yesterday's premium, and there's 1.262 lakhs of open interest which has come in there. HDFC Bank 790 is the most active put. This is a 610 one, but not this one, but the 790 May put is the most active, and we are seeing good activity happening at 790 level with good support coming at 790 for the HDFC Bank. So overall, it's a flat trading session. We're going to see some kind of activity towards the afternoon when because of the sensex expiry which is expected today. So some activity expected on the financial services side. Keep a track on that.
All right, Sajid, thank you so much for joining us with the roundup of the F&O universe. But with that, it's time to wind down on this edition of Markets at Noon. Snehi and I will take a leave. Thank you so much for tuning in.